Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good today, Adam. How are you too?
I am very well. I am actually very happy today.
Oh, why are you so happy? Did something good happen?
Well, not really, but I had a very good dream last night.
A dream? Tell me about it. Was it a funny dream?
It was a great dream. In my dream, I was very rich.
Rich? Like you had a lot of money?
Yes, I had $1 million.
Wow, $1 million. That is a lot of money.
It is a huge amount of money. I woke up and I felt sad because it was only a dream.
I understand. $1 million is a dream for many people. What would you do if you really had $1 million?
That is a big question. I think about this a lot.
Me too. It is fun to think about. So, what is the first thing you would buy?
The first thing, I think I would buy a new house.
A new house? Where would it be?
I want a house by the sea. I love the ocean.
Oh, I love the ocean too. The sound of the water is so relaxing. It makes me feel calm.
Exactly. A house with a big window. I want to look at the blue water every morning while I drink my coffee.
That sounds beautiful. Would it be a big house? A mansion?
A mansion? You mean a very, very big house?
Yes, a house with many rooms and maybe a cinema inside.
No, I don't need a mansion. Just a nice, modern house. Maybe 3 bedrooms. One for me, one for guests, and one for my hobbies.
Hobbies are important. What about a garden?
Oh, yes, a big garden with trees and flowers. I want to grow my own vegetables, too.
That is a very healthy idea. I would also want a garden, but I think I would buy a house in the mountains.
The mountains? Why the mountains?
I like the fresh air, and it is very quiet there. No cars, no noise.
That is true. The city is very noisy. It has too much sound and traffic.
Exactly. If I had $1 million, I would buy a cabin, a small, cozy house made of wood.
That sounds very warm and nice. What else would you buy, Sarah?
I think I would travel. I want to see the whole world.
The whole world? That is a lot of countries.
Yes, I want to visit Japan first. I want to eat real sushi.
Sushi is delicious. I want to go to Italy. I love pasta and pizza.
We could travel together. We could go to every continent.
That would be amazing. We could go to Africa to see the lions.
And to Australia to see the kangaroos. Oh, it would be so much fun.
But traveling costs a lot of money. Planes are expensive.
Not if you have $1 million. You can buy the best tickets.
First class?
Yes, first class. You know, the seats that turn into beds.
Oh, those are so comfortable. You can sleep on the plane and wake up in a new country.
Exactly. No more tired legs, no more small seats.
That is the life of a rich person.
It really is. But Adam, would you buy a car, a fast car?
I like cars, but I don't need a very fast one. Maybe a nice electric car.
An electric car is good for the environment. It doesn't hurt the nature.
Yes, it is clean and quiet. What about you? Do you want a sports car?
No, not really. I want a big van, a van that I can live in while I travel.
A van? But you said you wanted a cabin in the mountains.
I want both. I can have the cabin for the winter and the van for the summer.
Wow, you have a big plan for your $1 million.
It is fun to plan, but we must be careful with money.
Yes, $1 million sounds like a lot, but you can spend it very fast.
That is true. If you buy a house for $500,000 and a car for $100,000, you only have $400,000 left.
That is true. It goes away quickly. You have to invest some of it.
Invest? You mean put the money in a place where it can grow?
Yes, like buying a small business or putting it in the bank to get interest.
Oh, I see. So the money makes more money for you.
Exactly. That is how rich people stay rich.
You are very smart, Adam. I probably would just spend it all on clothes and shoes.
Well, a few new shoes are okay, but you can't wear 1,000 shoes at the same time.
That is true. I only have 2 feet.
True. Sarah, what about your family? Would you give them some money?
Oh, definitely. That is the most important thing. I would give money to my parents.
That is very kind. What would they do with it?
My dad wants to retire. He wants to stop working and just go fishing every day.
Retirement is a great gift. He worked hard for many years.
Yes, he did. And my mom wants to see her sister in Canada. I would buy her the ticket.
That is a lovely idea. Helping family feels better than buying a car.
I agree. It makes me feel warm inside. What about your family?
I would help my sister. She wants to go to university to study art.
Art is a beautiful subject, but university can be very expensive.
It is. I would pay for her classes and her books.
She would be so happy. You are a good brother.
Thanks, Sarah. I think money is best when you share it.
I agree. Sharing is caring. Would you give money to charity too?
Yes, I want to help the animals. Maybe a place for dogs that don't have a home.
An animal shelter? That is a great cause.
Yes, I love dogs. I want them to have food and a warm place to sleep.
That is so sweet. I would give money to help children learn to read.
Education is the key to the future. It helps people have a better life.
It really does. Wow, $1 million can do a lot of good things.
It can. It can change many lives, not just our lives.
If you were rich, would you be a different person?
I hope not. I want to stay the same. I want to be friendly and simple.
Sometimes money changes people. They become cold or they forget their friends.
That is sad. I think it is important to remember who you are.
I agree. I would still want to hang out with you and drink some coffee.
Even if the coffee is very expensive?
Even if the coffee costs $50. But I hope we can still find cheap coffee too.
Cheap coffee is often the best. It's about the conversation, not the price.
That is so true. Adam, what about your job? Would you quit it?
This is a hard question. I like my job. I like talking to you and making this podcast.
Aw, thanks. I like it too. But if you had $1 million, you wouldn't need to work for money.
That is the best part. I would work because I want to, not because I have to.
I like that idea. Doing what you love every day.
Exactly. Maybe I would write a book or learn to play the guitar.
The guitar? Are you musical?
Not now, but with $1 million, I can pay for the best teacher.
True. You could have a teacher come to your house every day.
I would practice for hours. Then I could play a song for you.
I would love that. I want to learn how to paint. I want to paint the mountains near my new cabin.
You will be a great artist, Sarah.
Thank you. It is nice to dream. But Adam, do you think money brings happiness?
I think money brings comfort. It makes life easier.
Yes, you don't have to worry about bills or rent.
Exactly. No more stress about paying for food or the electricity.
Stress is bad for your health, so money can make you healthier because you are less stressed.
That is a good point, but money cannot buy real friends or love.
You are right. You can buy a big house, but you cannot buy a happy family to live in it.
And you can buy a fast car, but you cannot buy a person to go for a drive with you.
So, money is just a tool to make life better.
Yes, like a hammer or a screwdriver. It helps you build things.
I like that. It's a tool for a better life. But the person using the tool is more important.
Exactly. If the person is kind, they will do kind things with the money.
And if the person is mean?
Then the money will probably make them more mean.
That is a bit scary. I hope I would be a kind rich person.
I know you would be, Sarah. You are already a kind person.
Thank you, Adam. You too. So let's imagine more. We have the house, the travel, the family is happy. What else?
I would buy a boat, a small boat, to go fishing.
A boat? Do you know how to drive a boat?
No, but I can learn, or I can hire a captain.
A captain? Like a person who knows how to move the boat in the water?
Yes, he can do the hard work and I can just sit and enjoy the sun.
You are getting very lazy in this dream, Adam.
Well, it is a dream about being rich. Rich people can be lazy sometimes.
True. I would hire a chef, a person to cook my meals.
Oh, that is a great idea. I hate washing the dishes.
Me too. A chef would cook delicious, healthy food every day. No more fast food.
Imagine eating fresh fish and vegetables every night.
And chocolate cake for dessert. Every single day.
If you eat cake every day, you might get a bit fat.
No, because I would also have a personal trainer.
A personal trainer, a person who helps you exercise?
Yes, he would make me run and jump in my private gym.
Oh, a private gym in your cabin. That sounds very professional.
Yes, I would be very fit and very rich.
That is the perfect combination. Healthy and wealthy.
Wealthy is a nice word. It means having a lot of money and many good things.
It does. It sounds more elegant than just saying rich.
I agree. Adam, if you had $1 million, would you buy any expensive technology?
Oh yes, I love gadgets. I would buy the newest computer and a big television.
A television as big as a wall?
Yes, like a cinema at home. I could watch movies all weekend.
Would you invite me to watch movies?
Of course, we can have a movie night every Friday.
Don't forget the popcorn.
I will have a machine that makes popcorn, like in the theater.
This sounds like a very fun life. But Adam, what if the $1 million goes away?
What do you mean?
What if you spend it all, or you lose it?
That would be very sad. I think I would feel very lonely without my big house and my boat.
That is the danger. If you become too used to the money, you can't live without it.
You are right. You become dependent on the money. You need it to be happy.
That is why it is important to be happy now, even without $1 million.
I agree. I am happy now. I have a good friend, a good job, and a roof over my head.
A roof over your head, so you have a place to live?
Yes, it is a small apartment, but it is my home.
And it doesn't cost $1 million.
No, it is much cheaper than that.
I think we are lucky. Many people don't have a home or food.
That makes me feel very grateful. Grateful means I am happy for what I have.
Me too. I'm grateful for our podcast. I'm grateful for the people who listen to us.
Yes, hello to everyone listening. We hope you have $1 million day.
$1 million day? Does that mean a very good day?
Exactly. A day that feels very special and valuable.
I like that. Even if we don't have the money, we can have the feeling.
That is the secret. You can feel rich in your heart.
Wow, Adam, you are very poetic today. Poetic. You speak like a writer.
Maybe it is because of my dream. It made me think a lot.
Well, thank you for sharing your dream with me.
Thank you for dreaming with me, Sarah. It was a fun conversation.
It really was. Now I have to go back to my real life.
Me too. I have to go and make some dinner.
No chef today?
No, just me and my kitchen. And I have to wash the dishes later.
Poor Adam. Maybe tomorrow you will find $1 million on the street.
If I do, I will call you immediately.
Please do. I will be waiting for the call.
Have a great day, Sarah.
You too, Adam, and goodbye to all our listeners.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye.